Shiba Inu is getting ready to explode this year. Here's why. What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. We have a lot, and I mean a lot, of news to discuss today, so let's get into it. First things first, Shiba Inu is trending down with Dogecoin, but a breakout may be near. Some technical analysis involved. Let's read a little bit of this article, see if there's any FUD that we might have to detect, or maybe it's a positive article. Maybe it's an article that actually takes a fair shot at Shiba Inu and actually gives it a fair chance. Let's read a little bit more. Shiba Inu is trading lower Wednesday along with Dogecoin, one of the meme crypto's inspirations. Shiba is nearing the end of a pattern and could be setting up for a breakout soon if the crypto begins to see above average volume. Shiba Inu was down just about 2.06% over the last 24 hours, sitting at the 403247 level at time of publication. Shiba Inu's daily chart analysis. Shiba Inu is nearing the end of what traders call a pennant pattern and could be due for a breakout and a large move if it can push past resistance on a strong volume. Cryptocurrency trades below its 50-day moving average, which is seen in the green. As you can see there's the little green line right there, but above the 200-day moving average, which is in blue. As you can see, that's the 200-day moving average in blue, which is obviously a good sign. Moving average may act as a resistance, while the 200-day moving average may be support. So again, the 200-day, which is in the blue, that's our support line right there, drawn quite nicely, and the green line might be the resistance level right there. So again, we're going to start probably trading tighter and tighter in this channel until we can see a substantial breakout towards the upside. I would draw that out really quick here, but they already did it, so we don't need to do that. Thank you, Bazinga. Anyways, the relative strength index has been moving sideways the past few weeks and sits at 42. This shows that there are slightly more sellers in the market than there are buyers, and that has been causing the asset to fade lower over the past few weeks. And this is true, guys. If you actually look at the overall RSI indicator, I'll put it up here so we can take a look. As you can see, this is what we're dealing with, right? Overall, the RSI hasn't been dipping below, substantially below the 30 level, which is typically where I like to do most of my buying of Shiba Inu. Whenever this dips, that is when I buy a Shiba Inu, because typically it more than likely means that I'm getting a good deal on whatever it is I'm buying, whether it's Shiba Inu or any other stock or cryptocurrency. But also, typically, when we see this dip below the 30 level, this doesn't always happen, but usually it does, we see a bounce back. We see a huge bounce back towards the upside. And a huge rally, like right here, for instance, was what we saw just recently. And now we're kind of really just grinding down lower and lower, like this article talks about, which is unfortunate. But let's read a little bit more here. As Shiba Inu nears the end of the pattern, it may either break above resistance or below support. A break of one of these levels with above average volume may cause the crypto to see a further stronger move in the same direction. Bulls are looking for the resistance break with high volume to possibly see a powerful bullish move. Bears are looking for Shiba Inu to drop below pattern support and for the level to begin holding at resistance. So what they're saying here basically is that it could really go either way. And I kind of agree, kind of disagree. Let me explain why. So basically, if we keep trading in this tight channel, what this is likely going to mean is that volume is going to continue to fade. The RSI is going to continue to fade from a purely technical standpoint. Not the most bullish circumstances in the short term. In the long term, again, that's a whole different story, a whole different video to be made. But I do think that they are right, that as long as we can break above that resistance level of the, I believe it was the 50-day moving average, or it might have been 200-day, I can't remember the exact one now. As long as we can break above that, above this resistance level, above these price target, or above this price action, I think we can see some substantial upside towards really way high numbers that basically we're experiencing right now. If we break through that support, which I really don't think is likely. We have tested that support time and time again, and as you can see, we've bounced quite nicely off it. So I think that as long as we do that, overall, this coin should remain pretty bullish. And overall, consolidation is good for this coin, guys. We're continuing to consolidate on a day-to-day basis and stabilize in price. And as long as we don't see any major breakouts towards the downside or the upside, I'm still going to remain very positive on a future breakout either way. Guys, if you haven't already, you need to join our private Discord so you get access to our buy and sell alerts that we talk about every single day in both the stock and the crypto markets. If you guys want to get access to all of that, and an amazing community of like-minded individuals who are all on the path to financial freedom. Again, the link down in the description below is for you. It's also super affordable, literally costs less than Netflix. And of course, literally other people have like groups that are like $30, $40, $50 a month, something crazy like that. We are only $10 a month, guys, to get access. And I think you guys will really enjoy it either way. So get signed up, link down in the description below. You guys know how it goes. But again, let's get into some other stuff. Former UFC lightweight heavyweight champion Chuck Liddell has reignited the meme token rivalry between Shiba Inu, SafeMoon, and Dogecoin. Let's read a little bit more and see what they have to say. So former UFC lightweight or light heavyweight champion Chuck Liddell has reignited. Yeah, we know that. All right, let's read a little bit more. I'm curious who will win this. Which cryptocurrency is the strongest between these three? Dogecoin, SafeMoon, Shiba token, or Dogecoin. I don't know why Shiba token is tagged like that, but either way, as you can see, this is the tweet that he tweeted out. I'm curious who will win, and it's a poll basically. And as you can see, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, SafeMoon. You know we got to vote for Shiba Inu. This poll actually might be done already. Oh, it's not. All right. Well, we have 11 hours left. Shiba Inu army, you know what to do. I'm doing that. As you can see, unfortunately, SafeMoon is winning right now, but I don't think that will be the case for much longer. Of course, the Shiba Inu army is very strong, and I'm sure you guys will, of course, come in and beat them all in the last second. Also, guys, if you haven't already, follow us on Twitter. It's a great way to keep up to date with the newest pieces of news on here as well. And of course, I think you guys would really enjoy some of the tweets that we put out on a daily basis. Again, we all try to keep you guys well informed either way. But again, Chuck Liddell is kind of igniting a little bit of kind of a meme frenzy here and everything. As you can see, Dogeman tweets out, Chuck, you buying the winner of your poll? He said, I'm on the hunt for what's next. So not really a clear answer there, but again, we'll see. Also, this guy, the SafeMoon Hound, apparently, when a token is fearless and FUD isn't a factor, it's impossible to break SafeMoon's spirit. Yeah, who cares? Where's the Shiba Inu stuff? Here we go. Matt Wallace. Oh, Dogecoin. Really? I thought you were a Shiba Inu guy. Matt Wallace. Oh, man. Okay. Stephen Cooper. Here we go. There's no reason Shib should lose this poll. We're in second. Show the strength of the Shib army and everyone vote and share. Lots of new eyes on this one. Dude, I love Stephen Cooper. Stephen Cooper's the guy. He literally had that huge burn party for Shiba Inu, and he continues to be a vocal advocate of the community every single day. Shout out Stephen Cooper. Love you, man. That's awesome. But anyways, that's cool. You know, we have a UFC fighter who is obviously very interested in the crypto industry and is getting more eyeballs on the coin either way, which in my opinion is good news either way. Last little piece of news here before we wrap up this whole video. 9 businesses across the globe join Shiba Inu burn pledge. Guys, the burn news has been literally on fire the last couple of weeks, and a lot of people have been very excited about burns. Now, again, most businesses are now kind of signing on saying, hey, we're going to use profits to burn Shiba Inu in order to increase the value over the long term, which is awesome news either way. And again, I think more businesses than ever are probably going to join in on this burn pledge, whatever you would like to refer to it as, and I think it's overall going to be good for Shiba Inu in the long term. The more coins we can burn, of course, the more valuable we will be in the future, which is always awesome to see either way. Again, guys, lots of news in the Shiba Inu markets either way. Very exciting to see where this coin is headed in Q1 of 2022. The first article that we read as far as technical analysis goes, we are kind of getting to a very interesting point here at the chart level, and I think that we could break out really soon, but we have to, again, the catalysts have to be there, the right conditions have to be there. Again, the storm has to set itself up, but I think it's possible. I really do. And even if it isn't, guys, I'm a long-term holder, right? We're waiting to the long term. We're waiting for this coin to play out in the ways that it's going to play out. And I just want to see some green momentum. That's what I want to see. But even if there's not, I'm still going to buy the dips, and I'm still holding for the long term. If you guys want to see when I buy the dips, again, join our private Discord if you haven't already. Also, guys, if you want to support us for free, literally hit the subscribe button. It's the best way to support us either way. It's just hit a button and you're there. You're good. You'll get our sub box, our notifications and everything. Well, you have to hit the notification bell if you want notifications, but you'll see all of our new posts, everything that we're talking about in the crypto and stock market, and of course, all of the Shiba Inu videos literally on a day-to-day basis. So if you guys want to support us for free, hit the subscribe button. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.